Focus point in dance. This is how you look. It's how you believe in your gaze when you really see something or someone. This is what will make you more aware of your surroundings during a dance. Because you see people around you. Because you can make eye contact with someone and it's super cool. People around you understand you better when your head is on. With the help of the gaze, you set the size and depth of your story or concept. You can look far away at someone in particular or at an imaginary thing. With this idea, your dance will be aimed at transmitting signals far away. Next idea, you can look at individual parts of your body. And the size of your dance energy will be different, not the same as the previous one. Small or directed inward. Next idea of your gaze that you can concentrate your focus point on objects around you. This can be concrete objects or people. Or invisible objects around you at arm length, like this. With these sizes of the gaze, you get more energy. Wow. Far away, inward, around you. So you look somewhere and react to it emotionally. For example, you're interested in something, you look there, you go there. Or you look at something, you are disgusted and turn away from it. Or you look, you are uncomfortable, you are attacked. Focus point will revitalize your dance 100%. You can take ideas from real life and transform them into a dance. For example, crosswalk focus point. We use this focus point in everyday life when we cross the road. First we look in one direction, then in the other. Left to right, and right to left. But when you try it in a dance, of course you need to do it more sharply and clearly. Like this. Now I'll show you my discoveries and patterns of this movement. We can use it in the direction of opposite diagonals. Bottom to top like this, or another side, or top to bottom. Boom, boom. Another side, boom, boom. And also take this pattern and do exactly up to down, and vice versa. Boom, boom. Boom. This is the simple movement, I know this, but have you used it in your dance so far? If you have, write in the comments. If not, write in the comments too. How use focus point in dance? First, you need to understand the number one idea. The fact that focus point is a reaction of some movement. For example, jab, focus point. Arm swing, focus point. Stomp, focus point. Shoulder, boom, boom. Or as a reaction to an object you show. For example, draw a square, then look at its angles. Or take a step, I imagine that I need to cross the road, but at first I need to make crosswalk focus point. And then, Next I hold something in my fist, open it and look at it with interest. Or you look at a specific person, for example, you are barreling and your opponent is opposite. Look at him. Who are you? Or someone called you from the side, Spitfire, and you look at him. Or someone takes you by the shoulder and you're like, what? Focus point is what makes your dance conscious. We see that a lot of street dancers dancing with their eyes down. In my opinion, they lose 50% of the connection with their audience. And they also deprive their dance of the readability. Okay, let's move to the last part of this lesson. Another thing is a focus point as a trigger. For example, focus, jab, focus, stomp, focus, arm swing, focus, shoulder, focus, kick. Or another thing, focus on invisible object. For example, focus, catch, and open the door. Boom. Or focus, I took a coin and flipped it. Or focus, now there is a mirror and I'm fixing my hair. You can come up with any story, just relax, open your mind, and you need to know that you can do anything. I hope this info was useful for you. Write in the comments what topic you want to see next time. Enjoy! Yeah, Spitfire! See you soon! Yeah!